Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make your voice sound like anyone using AI. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you need to go to any web browser and then type 11 Labs, create an account here. So once you have created an account, then you can use their AI voice changer, text to speech. You can also use clone feature, but this time we will be using the voice changer. So tap this three lines, click voice changer here. You will have your option if you want to upload your file or if you want to record your voice. So for example, if I want to record my voice, then I just have to click the record voice icon right here or record audio. Just click the microphone and start adding or recording your voice. And then later, I'm going to show you how to change this one or how to make your voice sound like anyone using AI. Depends on your choice. So I will let you listen my original voice. Guys, welcome back to our tutorial. Now feel free to choose your AI voice right here. There are tons that you can use for free. For example, Alice, just click and you will see the name right here. So once you have selected that AI voice that you want, you can now listen first before you use this AI voice. So for example, I have added Alice right here. I have to click generate speech and I will let you listen a sample of an AI voice here using 11 Labs. And this is it.
Hey guys, welcome back to our tutorial.
Feel free to change this AI voice anytime. Just click the name and then select the specific AI voice that you want. So this is how to make your voice sound like anyone using AI. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.